Many of you probably remember the Bendy Tower project with the cat tower. Well, we have a problem.
Hello, Maciek. I have a bad news for you. There was yesterday tornado, you know, twister, and your tower is broken, very broken. Yes, destroyed. Bye. It doesn't look that bad. Really?
Why this happened to me? Why here? The twister, tornado. Why it collapsed? It's very sad that hundreds of hours of work is for nothing. What should I do now? It's completely destroyed. But good that the kitties are okay. Well, at least this. It's not over, guys. I will rebuild it. Don't be sad. I promise you, every failure is a way to success. Oh, come on. Lord Turing mentioned that cats very often stays in the tunnels and they do not want to go to labyrinth because it's too complicated. So this time we will try to make more space inside and make whole tower simpler. I'm not hungry. This whole thing, it's okay. I can fix it. Remember, guys, things like that only makes it stronger. It's funny because it's true. It's so cold.
Strange vibrations
Oh.
What? Let me see.
It's a new tower, bro.
Give me.
What?
Yummy.
Now it's time to troll the cats. I put it a cell phone with the mouse sounds and other cat sound. So as you see, Elfig is just curious. What the heck is going on?
Mom? We going out.
So as the cell phone sound lure them, and they are attracted by it and sneak to see what's happened. When they hear little kitty or mouse, it's okay, but when they hear angry kitty, they just leave.
Girls, where are the women? I think I see one. All the gears are mine.
And this is how Griffith behaves when no one's watching him. He's just exercising like a squirrel, and he tried to get to the top and find out is there any way out from the tower. He loves to jump, he doesn't need stairs. Hello kitties, I want to join you. It's very comfy over here, very comfy, loads of space. I will try to stand up. Thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoy it. Check out my channel by clicking first card on the left to see more crazy projects. Bye!